There's a metabolic disease underlying obesity. Body weight is regulated far more by our biology than our willpower. Science has been aware of this for some time now, and in research studies, if you feed a mouse a certain type of food or you change its hormones in a certain way, it gets fat. This is obviously not due to the mouse having poor willpower. Unfortunately, this knowledge is yet to make it through to clinical care. People feel like it's their fault that they're overweight, which is a terrible burden to carry. We're intolerant of discrimination in so many ways, with the exception being obesity. We must look at being overweight like any other chronic disease to generate more effective treatments and relieve people of this stigma, which exists as a result of the failure of health practitioners to communicate the science. The current solution is not to address the issue at the source, but to ignore this physiology and try to force overweight individuals to behave differently and then blame them for following what is usually the wrong advice. The human body can burn two types of fuel. It's either going to be glucose or stored fat. Excess calories aren't the underlying cause of obesity. While cutting calories may cause short-term weight loss, it's never a long-term solution because the real underlying issue has not been addressed. In thinking seriously about the treatment of being overweight, there is one important question to answer. What causes weight gain? We think it's eating too many calories, and this is clearly not the cause. If it were true, then the solution to weight loss is simple: eat fewer calories. But we've been doing this for 50 years with no success. We have calorie counting apps, books, exercise machines, and wearable devices, but the plethora of evidence clearly proves that it doesn't work. Why? Your body can't respond to a total sum of calories, as every calorie has a different metabolic impact. 100 calories of broccoli is not equally as fattening as 100 calories of white bread. But for the last 50 years, this is the logic we've applied to weight management. In this upcoming series of short videos, I'll address the most common weight loss myths and teach you to better manage your health and your weight for a lifetime.